Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Tushita Rai. I am from Varanasi. I have recently completed my postgraduate studies from Banaras Hindu University in the subject Biotechnology. Today I am here to discuss the very important topic, that is photosynthesis. Before diving straight to the topic, it is important to know, but I think we all know it actually, that all living beings, including plants and animals, have a great diversity in terms of their shape, size and appearance. But despite of their enormous variety in their shape, size and appearance, they all have some basic common feature. What are the three basic common features present in all the living organisms? That is growth, reproduction and adaptation. Growth, that is increase in size. Yes, all the living organisms have the ability to increase in size, that is growth. But they not only increase in size, they also increase in number by reproducing their own kind, that is reproduction. Last but not the least, they have a great ability to adapt in changing environmental condition and respond toward changing stimulus. In order to perform the growth, reproduction and adaptation, all living organisms need energy. Now the question is, from where this energy comes from? Very surprisingly, this energy comes from the food which they eat. Exactly, the food like dal, chapati, vegetables which we eat daily is used in order to get our energy. Living beings like animals get their solid food and get their energy, but plants, they don't have any option. They don't depend on the other organism in order to get their food. But green plants make their food by a fantabulous process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, if we split the word photosynthesis, we get two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means combining or formation. In general, we can say that photosynthesis is the process which is the formation of the food in the presence of light. In our case, we make our food in our kitchen. In the same manner, plants also make their food in their kitchen, that is green leaves. Yes, the beautiful, small, shiny looking leaves are their kitchen. And in order to make our food, we need certain ingredients. And the ingredients, plants also need ingredients. And the ingredients which they use for this process are carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll. But the question is, from where they get their stuffs? Carbon dioxide is present in the environment, which we actually exhale into the environment. Water, they get it from the soil with the help of the root. And light, it is present in the atmosphere. And the chlorophyll, which is present in the leaf. That's why leaf looks green. But chlorophyll not only helps to make to look leaves green, they also help in capturing the light from the sun. So in the presence of light and chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water combine together to form glucose. Apart from glucose, they also release oxygen gas. Glucose is further distributed to each and every parts of the plant in order to complete the basic metabolic processes of the plant like respiration, evaporation, transpiration, etc. Now, the basic question is, what is the need of water? Okay, water is used to make the glucose and oxygen, but how? With the help of light. Light is actually used to split the water into two radicals, H plus and OH minus, where H plus is used, H plus is combined with the carbon dioxide and make glucose, whereas OH minus is further used to make oxygen. And this process is the photolysis of the water, which is a very important part of the photosynthesis. Now, the basic question is, what is the importance of photosynthesis? What is its significance? So, photosynthesis is a very important process, not only for plants, but also for animals, including humans as well. Now we know that photosynthesis is important for plants because it is using for making the food of the plant, and they are getting their energy with the help of the glucose. But why it is important for the animals? It is important for the animals because it is releasing the gas, oxygen gas, which is important for us as well. We inhale the oxygen and use it in our respiration and breathing processes. Thank you.